What's up, guys? I don't know if you can tell, it's a bit brighter in here. I got a couple more lights installed, 4 to be exact, and then I reorganized them to be a little bit more uniform. I regret now starting so close up here. I should have started more right here and then gone back and ended more like back here to give more light here, but still way better. I didn't have light back here before at all. All the light was primarily focused like right here in this area, so glad to have more lighting in the garage overall, better spaced out, and just, you know, more uniform, really. They also say that it's a maximum of 12 in a daisy chain. Maybe I can test that theory, add a little bit more, shoot my luck, see what happens. Who knows? My OCD will probably end up rearranging it again for a third time, but whatever. That's not what this video is about. This video is about this. I got a interior LED kit, and LEDGlow is the company. I found it on Amazon, actually. My boy Ricky sent me the link, and then I ended up finding the same kit on Amazon with Prime shipping, so very cool. That's all that get up. There are the 4 individual tubes. So under the dash, and then under the rear seats, here's the controller that controls them all. Controversial bit about this that I'll get out of the way now. This is kind of just like a positive, negative, and then the white wire actually is like for your dome lights and stuff. Like, I don't know if you guys have angel eyes on your E46s or any other BMW or whatever, but the white wire is the trigger wire for like the courtesy lights, basically. So I'll tap into the existing courtesy lights that I've got right now for the halos, and then for the positive and negative, I'm going to tap into well, negative, obviously I'll just ground it, and this I'm going to tap into the same location that my air suspension is tapped into. It's got its own fuse, so hopefully, in theory, even though I'm stacking a whole bunch of wires into one circuit, it is all still technically fused, everything on its own. So hoping I can get away with that. If it has issues, then I'll figure something else out. Apparently you can just wire it directly to the battery, but I plan to pretty much, whenever I turn the car on, just have them come on their own. So I assume doing it like that will give me that effect. And if it doesn't, well, then I'll just tap it directly to the battery. Fuck it. That was my original plan anyway. So let me go ahead and get my bench tester out, just so I can get all this set up and make sure that everything works before I go ahead and install it on the car, and then, you know, it doesn't work or whatever. So I'll be right back. Well, I got the LEDGlow app running and they work. So pretty much you can just this is the million color mode on. So you can turn that off, choose, you know, whatever color you want. Turn all that shit off. This thing just did not listen to anything I said, huh? Just straight up. Strobes off. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, man. Oh, duh, I'm an idiot. So, yeah, there's all that. You can change whatever color. White is very cool, actually. I'm surprised that white is that white, having RGB, but yeah, that's all that. Very fun. So let me go ahead and get this installed in the car. So be right back. All right, quick update. It is so hot in here, but getting things done. Got one tube mounted down there. Got all the wiring mounted behind the glove box to take the glove box out. The other wire runs through my door sill and comes back here where that one is mounted with zip ties. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the other side done and see if I can get this thing on and fully functioning tonight. So be back. All right, so I got them all on, right? But I can't seem to fuck with them anymore as far as like the colors go. Like nothing's doing it. So I don't get it. I'm gonna have to figure out what the hell's going on, cause I want this to work. So I'm gonna keep messing with this and hopefully I can figure this out. All right, I got it to work finally. Yeah, very cool. I think my kids are gonna love this shit, dude. They're gonna think this is so... Whatever. She'll see it in the morning. Well, pretty cool. And we have got it wired up right now. It turns off when the car's off. It turns on when the car's on. That's exactly what I wanted. So I'm glad everything works. I don't know what the first glitch was, but yeah. Super cool. I'll leave the link in the description for the exact kit I bought off Amazon, so if you guys want to buy that. If you guys have any questions, hit me up. But you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. We'll see you guys next time.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Right on triple chrome, glide on them Vogues. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the street, screwed up with my click. Let them see how out they going up the blicks. Pray to God.